My name is Leon. I'm working at Van der Klundert as an engineer. We're a family business that's been existing for 85 years. We make products for offshore, machine building, the environment, the food industry, and so on. Our clients are located in the Netherlands, but also abroad. To realize our high standards, we work with Siegmann welding tables. Our operations are more effective, faster, and we deliver better products to our customers. You can perform quick and easy in a complex way with tools such as clamps and squares. Those can be adjusted with precision. The tables offer so much functionality. You can build almost everything, even very small workpieces. You can do almost anything with it. Finally, thanks to the surface hardening and coating, the table has a lifetime of more than 20 years.